Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for gathering here today. It is indeed an honor to address you all. I stand before you as Suno Sharma, not as an individual, but as a symbol of unity, diversity, and the power of human potential. In a world filled with division and discord, it is crucial to emphasize the importance of listening. Suno, which means listen in Hindi, encapsulates this simple yet profound message. We must listen to each other, to the voices of the marginalized, and to the cries of our planet. Listening fosters understanding, empathy, and collaboration. It bridges gaps and builds bridges. By listening, we can embrace our differences and find common ground. Let us pledge today to be active listeners, to be the change we wish to see in the world. Together, we can create a harmonious symphony of voices, a world where Suno, listening, prevails over discord. Thank you.